Now, not official though, but through defense sources. Last night when Pakistan made a failed attempt to send swarm drones all across various places along the line of control and international borders, over 50 drones were successfully neutralized during a large-scale counter-drone operation conducted by Indian Army air defense units in the areas of Udhampur, Samba, Jammu, Aknur, Nagrota, Pathankot. The engagement involved extensive use of L-70 guns, Zu-23mm, Shilka systems, other advanced counter-UAS equipment demonstrating the Army's robust capability to counter aerial threats. And it's been a long night. We're getting in, as the assessments are made. Mr. Dubey, 50 drones successfully neutralized. That's a big number. None of them managed to hit the target.
Actually, we have got a very strong system to counter these drones. Basically, Pakistanis were not aware of the fact. Because they must understand that the preparedness was going on, and we have read the mind of Pakistanis right from beginning. And the second issue is that to defend the complete 192 kilometers land borders, on the northern side of Punjab, that is the Paharpur post and above. So those areas have been very challenging right from beginning. As you know, in the past, they have ventured drone-driven all the nonsense since last 3 years. So tackling the drone and tackling the challenges posed by the drones for dropping the armaments, ammunition and narcotics in these areas have been a practice from Pakistan side. So the counter-drone measures, Army was well prepared there. Second layer, Nakas, the complete second layer defense from the BSF, again reinforced by the Indian Army from the depth, and the plugging every gap in that particular area, which is a sensitive area. So the complete infiltration route or passing through the Indian territory is completely blocked. Now, if we talk about the drones, there is already mechanism placed there. So, the equipment itself is so sophisticated and so effective that I don't think Pakistan will waste any further ammunition. To venture inside the Indian territory. It's approved since last 72 hours. So, to down these many numbers of drones before it can become effective in our territory is itself a lesson to Pakistan. So, our preparedness is complete, and this is a very good battle trial, very good ground trial of all these things. I don't think there could be any better opportunity to test and try every technology to teach the lesson to the Pakistan misadventurism. So I take it a very great success to the Indian Armed Forces.